Yeah, okay. Straight, okay, hello. Yes. Yes. Thank you all for coming to this press conference. It is very nice to see all of you all over here. Thank you very much. Yes. One second. Hold on. डार्क गॉगल, समर हो या विंटर, विंटर हो या बरसात का मौसम, डार्क गॉगल, go wear it. Yes, before I start, I just want to have a small reading of this open letter to Mr. Fanmay Bhatt. In our time, there was only radio and TV. But nowadays, there are a lot of things. There is a phone. Phone has got Snapchat, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter and whatnot. And also on Snapchat, there is application for morphing. What is this morphing? I did not know till this video of Fanmay Bhatt came out. And for that, I will make Fanmay kneel down for 2 hours. Thank you. Questions, please.
Sir, have you ever met Fanmay Bhatt?
I was in Andheri West and he was in Bandra West. I saw him very clearly because you can't miss him.
आपको कैसा लग रहा है?
ऐसा लग रहा है कि संडास में गया, टट्टी करने, उल्टी बाहर निकलने वाला था, लेकिन नाक से लूज मोशन हो गया. ऐसा लग रहा है.
Sir, next question. Sir, how do you feel?
सेम क्वेश्चन इंग्लिश में पूछता है.
So, what do you think about Tanmay Bhatt receiving death threats?
Why this death threat? Nobody should give any death threat to anybody. If something like that happens, you should kiss that fellow and say, hello, don't do it again. There are other issues in the world and a lot of issues got totally dabowed. When all this was talked about, diesel and petrol prices went up. Drought situation still getting worse. It is not raining in Mumbai also. A little fellow, under 16 team, he should have been there, but he was not there after scoring 1,000 runs. Very strange, but why death threats? Be happy, be peaceful.
What hurt you more, sir? Alan Donald's bouncer or Fanmay's comment, sir?
Nothing hurts me, but thankfully, Alan Donald is retired and Fanmay Bhatt is not sitting on me. That would have hurt me more.
Sir, what things should stand-up comics talk about, sir?
They should stop imitating. Maybe they should talk about masala dosa.
Well, what do you mean by masala dosa? Why can't they talk about dhokla? Why can't they talk about handwa, fafda or anything else?
Madam, I got my handwas in place, but what are you talking about? Please stop talking like this. I am saying let stand-up comedian talk about nail polish, nails, maybe cupboard, maybe commode, and do Snapchat conversation with commode and cupboard, or maybe with apple and orange on one side, and that's it. This is good hint. Thank you very much. I think everything should be banned. People should be careful. There should not be any comedy on people.
Sir, what do you think was the best part about the video?
The end part, when it ended, that was the best part. Anything else you want to ask, madam?
Yes, madam. Sir, what do you have to say about Kangana and Hrithik, sir?
Kangana and Hrithik? Why should I be knowing about Kangana and Hrithik?
Sir, what is the best fielding position for Fanmay Bhatt, sir?
I think he should be the side screen in a cricket ground because he's quite huge. But jokes apart, Fanmay is a very sweet guy, and I must say he had problems as a child when he used to stand on the weighing machine. It used to say to be continued. Hey, tujhas jo keh rahe Tanmay, sorry Fanmay. No plagiarism over here. Definitely he's a nice guy. If he stands on top of a building, he can give shade to a lot of people. So you should look at the good points, not the bad points of people. Yes.
So, sir, you're saying that mimicking others is not good? You never do that?
Hey, what Ray? Imitation is the best form of flattery. And now it is time for 1 second. Psyche shoes. पहन के भागे. Psyche shoes. Go run on it. Yes.
Sir, any tips for Tanmay?
Yes, there is. I can give him a 15 rupee tip. Next.
सर तन्मय साहब के लिए कोई टिप्स है क्या?
Hey, same question हिंदी में पूछता. डाल देगा तेरा पे.
Sir, what about the extra service tax?
Yes, that is a very good question. At last, somebody has asked me a very good question. Service tax. What is this problem? What is service tax? I charge somebody an X amount. On top of that, I add 15% service tax. And that is paid back. This service tax is killing me, killing the whole world. And this is a controversy that people should be talking about, not Snapchat videos. Thank you very much. Sensible question. And after that, I am leaving right now. Before going, Pony headphones. कान पे लगाइए, म्यूजिक सुनिए. और अगर आपके पास टेप रिकॉर्डर नहीं है, और कहीं पे लगाइए, कान पे लगाइए. हाँ, thank you. Yes. Yeah, what? Sorry, हो गया. ओ पिक्चर पिक्चर हो गया रेड कप चाय पानी या कॉफी खुद भी पीजिए इसमें रेड कप लीजिए गो ड्रिंक इट हो गया ये मेरा नहीं है थैंक यू हो गया कपड़े
और किस मोरे लेले को सांस लेने का मौका तक नहीं दे रहे, बेहतरीन शॉट पे शॉट मारते जा रहे हैं। लेले की टांग अब बिल्कुल हवा में है, स्पाइडर कैप ऊपर से बिल्कुल जबरदस्त नजारा दे रहे हैं इस वक्त। लेले की टांगे अब किस मोरे के कंधे पर।
किस मोरे अपनी रफ्तार बढ़ाते जा रहे हैं, बॉल्स के साथ साथ बिल्कुल